Hi, please like and subscribe my channel, and this is Danish, and today I will tell you how to submit IMM5669 form, schedule a background declaration form. So you just have to Google, and the people have getting error. I can show you the error, like when you click here, so you get the error. It's pretty normal, and everyone getting this error. So you just simply download this file. I'm getting download, and see, it's getting download. Now it's download, and I can show you. So it's not opening. Okay, so what you have to do, simply go to the browser download section, then show in the folder, then you have to be open in the Acrobat Reader. Open with the Acrobat Reader, it will be open. So it's getting open, and now it's open. Okay, see, so here's the three buttons over there: save, reset, and print form. So I will discuss about later about that. So how do you fill this document, and I will show you. So if you are the principal applicant, you have to tick here. If you are the like not a principal applicant, or you are the spouse, so you have to click here. So it's depend on your application. So I will write all the things. I think I have to pause, so otherwise it's quite difficult to like it's all the open. Wait, just hold a second. I will write everything. I can dummy write X, Y, Z. Okay, this is the given name, 1, 2, 3. Suppose family name, he has dealing, then okay. And the other thing is that date of birth. You can open this and click on there, and then click here, then click here, so you have an idea. So suppose you are in 2000 to 2009 or 1999, so you have to click here like this. You have to click here, then again click your month, then again click any date. So it's date of birth. So here is your father details. You have to write where they have born, so you have to click same way. Like if you have go to back, so they will tell you more years. Karachi, then again Pakistan country. Then if he is deceased, like he is not alive, so don't need to write the date of birth. Simply go there, and when they deceased, so you can again click. So it's up to you. And same your mother name. Okay, and the other thing, that if you write your native language over here, so it's sometimes the people are getting difficult. So it's pretty simple. You just Google it and write your name on the Google Translator, then just copy paste here. So I can show you the how to do that. Okay. Here we go. So translate, or like I write the name, and you can see there is a copy. So I will paste here. See, now it's my native language, so I have write it. So you can do like this. If you have a keyboard of your language, so you can type directly. And this is the same thing, like you have to be answer of that same, like if you have a criminal record, yes or no. Then you have any other country criminal record, so you have to yes or no. Then you have being a refugee in country or territory, so you have to click by like this. And then usually these all things are no, but you have to read your all the things. The last question is about your disease and physical mental disorder. If you have, so you have to write yes, otherwise you have to click on no. This is the education side, and you have to show the year, like mostly countries has 1 to 8 is elementary or a primary school, so I write 8 years. And mostly like some countries is 9 to 12 is a secondary school, so I write 4 years. And then depend on university, if 3 years university years, or you have a 4 years university or 6 years, so it's up to you. Like I write 4 years bachelor's, so it's write the 4 years. If you have a like a trade school technical side, so you have to write here. So it has written that you have to write from secondary to post-secondary educations, so that's mean you have to be right from the secondary school. Like some people have a 9 to 12 is a secondary school, so you have to be right from that schooling. And so I will write something dummy. So I just fill out and see this write like this, so you can understand. Then this is the personal history from last 10 years or 18. So you do not remember that, please ensure that you do not leave any gaps in time. So you have to each and everything, just like I am unemployed, so I have mentioned it over there. So yeah, finding job, you have to write here, so you have to mention like that. Then organization, members of association with the organization, usually these are the professional or trades, or like we usually the people are not belongs to them, so I write none. Why should I write the none? You can see there it has written, if you are it's not applicable, then you have to write none. Then if you have any government positions, and you have to be right from where to where, from or to, you have to be right, and which department, and each and everything you have to write same thing. If you are not doing any government job, then you have to write none. Same as you have a do job in the parliament or military, so you have to be right here, and you have to mention that total tenure. Then here is the address. You can see the past 10 years, so you have to be right the current address. And if you are like from the 18 birth or last 10 years, you have to mention all the years here. If you change a different country or city, so you have to write each and everything here. So here you can see that I have currently living the same address from 1980, so I just mentioned like this. So it's all depend on your particular area. So this is the last page, and you can see there is a date and signature. So date you can mention when you are going to print it. So here the save, and if you want to reset this form, so you have to click reset, if you want to print, then you have to print. So this form usually upload by scan. So just put the right date here and then simply save it. It will be saved, and then you just print out. And signature manually, you have to do signature manually. Hope you understand this form. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.